Hi guys, this is the second part of my Fouga Magister model kit build. In this episode, as I promised before, I will finish this kit and I will show you the result. If you not saw the first part of the video, you can watch it here. So what to know about this Heller model kit? It is a retro kit from the 1980s. It is reboxed somewhere in the late 90s, but still available. There is a lot of Fouga Magister kits in the market which have more parts and more painting schemes. But they are more fun to build. I will answer that at the end of the video. So, we arrived the airbrushing phase. I had choose a very dark grey enamel base color, and after that I painted the whole model kit white. This is the color of the stripes. Why I had choose this method? Well, there is two types of white stripes on this model kit. There are decal white stripes, and there are white stripes which have to be masked. But I am pretty sure that the separate striping method's shade will never match, so I decided not to use the decals. I will make my own stripes in another way. And this is what I came up. I will copy the decals by using masking tape. And that was the last step. I have finished the Patrouille de France Fouga Magister. It's time now to introduce the finished model kit. Big thank you for those who encouraged me to continue this build. I needed that. So is this model kit still competent? Is it still fun to build between all those very nice new Fouga Magister kits on the market? My opinion is yes. And here is another display team aircraft, a Red Arrows Hawk. This one is built about 2 years ago. Thank you for watching.